Did you know that pre-made boards were available on Whiteboard.Chat? Not only will this help you save time, but this can also help spark some ideas with creating your own boards. In this video, I will show you how to access, copy, and even upload your own board to share with the Whiteboard.Chat community.
To have access to all of these community boards, it is important that you're logged into your Whiteboard.Chat account. Once logged on from the home page, you'll select Manage Boards. And just above your list of saved boards, you notice that you have two tabs, My Saved Boards and Community Boards. By selecting Community Boards, here's where you can find a wide selection of pre-made boards for just about every grade level and subject. After searching through the titles, you may find one that interests you. And you'll notice that there are two ways in which they can be opened up. You have the option of receiving a shareable link, or you can copy the board directly to your Save Boards list. Selecting Shareable Link, I'll go ahead and open it up in another window. And here we see what the board looks like. And this particular board has several pages. And any added movable pieces can also be used as well.
Taking a look at my boards list, you'll notice that that particular title has been automatically saved to my list. In a similar way, selecting a board to copy works in the same manner. It automatically uploads that particular board to your list. To share a board that you've created, you're going to select the cloud icon that is just above the top of the board. Scroll down and select Share with Community. And you'll notice that a Google form will open up with information regarding the publishing process. And just as a side note, it takes up to a week for a board to be added to the community. And once you've filled in a few details such as name, title of your board, along with a brief description, submit it, and within a week, if approved, your board should appear in the community board section along with the other shared boards.
So next time you log on to Whiteboard.Chat, make sure to check out the pre-made boards. You may be surprised with what you find. As always, thanks for watching. And to continue to support my channel, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.